Welcome to the story of Paku. Our story begins on a small inhabited island within the Andaman Sea, located in the southern part of Thailand. This island is called Rutland Island, and some Siamese people would visit the island regularly from Thailand. Eventually, they claimed it as their very own. They started to harvest resources from the island and even built small structures on it to accommodate themselves. Over time, the population expanded, and today the community consists of approximately 2,000 people. The Siamese people would travel to Thailand with wooden boats and bring back resources which they used to expand the production of the island. The people were friendly towards each other. There was low crime rate, and majority of people on the island knew each other, which made everyone feel like an important member of their new society. As time goes on, supplies such as food and materials were harder to get to. The Siamese people had to use resources on the island to depend on their survival. When those resources ran low, they would travel to Thailand to try and find more. The people of Thailand donated whatever they could to help Rutland Village improve. They were very supportive towards them. Some days were harder than others. If there was a shortage of food, families would have to go hungry. Children were put to work at a young age to contribute something to their society. There were no school for kids. Instead, they would have to learn to fish, hunt, build, and travel to nearby islands with boats to help bring resources back to their island. Within Rutland Village lived a young boy named Paku. He is 15 years old and lived with his mother in a small wooden house. Paku's father disappeared after a fishing trip when he was little. He went out and never came back home, so the family naturally assumed the worst. Paku knew he would have to grow up to take care of his mother. He didn't see it as a burden working to support her. He learned the basics of survival after being taught by men within his own neighborhood. He learned about hunting animals and learned how to plant vegetables. He would earn Thai baht to purchase food and necessary resources for him and his mother. After a hard day's work, Paku would immediately head home to his mother. But one particular day, his friends invited him out to go for a drink at a nearby shack. Paku decided to go with them, but he stopped by his home to let his mother know where he was going, so she wouldn't have to worry about him. Then he left with his friends. If Paku only knew what was about to happen that night, he would have turned around and went back home to his mother. But he chose to go with his friends anyway. Then began the worst night of his life.